Well, hey everyone, it's Thursday now, January 12th, and we got to head back into town again. The snow started a little bit earlier, but nothing that's the end of the world. The main snowstorm is not for a few hours yet, so we're going to get into the village, into town of Perth. I've got to pick up a few more groceries for my mom, a few more for here. I got to bring one of those lights with me. I got to replace a fluorescent light that I need replacing. I'm gonna just bring the thing in with me so I can get the right size. Oh boy. Anyway, it's warmed up. It's +4 Celsius. And just gonna bend you guys. There we go. And so it's not too bad. I don't think I need to bring anything else. I'm not going to rush around or anything like that. But we're definitely going to get back here before dark, obviously. It's only, it's just 20 after 11, so we're heading out a little earlier than I did yesterday. I finally checked my insurance slips, or my insurance payment. It's $150 a month now as opposed to $100. So it's another $50 a month, but it's well worth it for this truck. Let's see if we can get this stuff done as quick as possible. Phone. Oh, and my short shopping list. Need to get some more sausage and onion for my... That's the truck, eh? It starts itself. It's like I still can't get over that Bluetooth. I'll never get over that. Okay. Let's I think that's everything I need. Need the keys. I think the truck shut off finally. Well, finally. I wish you could set it for a, actually set the idle time, you know? But it's like one time and that's it, that's all. So, okay, Wally, watch out. Oh, doing that to me. Hey, Wally. You're in my way, not the other way around. So, the Grizzly was picked up last night, and I don't know when he'll be starting to work on it, but at least it's done before the snowstorm. There we go, a little bit further out. I'm going to see if I can open up. Okay, so this is not. I'm gonna have to bring some of this stuff inside because it's literally frozen from water and stuff. What the fuck is this? This isn't mine. Whose is this? Where the fuck did this come from? Alright, well, whatever, man. I left these cables sitting out. I'm going to see if I can start getting stuff from the... What the fuck is this? Stuff in here I don't even know. There's a snow. What I'm looking for is this cable right here. In case I need that. Oh, Willow's just went by. Now he is one of our competitors. Not one of my favorite either. I imagine the feeling's mutual. All right, so there you go, folks. Fresh snow. We'll leave our creatures alone to feed. We'll get this show on the road today. I want to hook the phone up to the auxiliary. Oops. And use the wires instead of the Bluetooth. This way it's not starting up all the time. The music, oh shit, dent that door. I was looking at new mats for this thing yesterday at Canadian Tire. Oh, I forgot the bloody, speaking of Canadian Tire, I forgot that tube. I gotta go get it, the fluorescent tube. Oops. I'll have to see about ordering some sit like that now? Probably not, eh? Oh yeah, no. Sorry guys. I'm trying to get it set so I can start this thing up. Now, my phone cradle. See, that's why I gotta bring those bags in, let them defrost a bit because some water got in there. First of all, let's turn off that bloody Bluetooth. A Bluetooth device wants to connect. Allow. Okay, whatever. But I'm disconnecting the Bluetooth. And let's see if I can hook this up straight to aux. Welcome driver 1, whatever. These cables are frozen and wet. Not the best cables either. Okay. Where's the charging port? Oh, well, got a blue light there. And is there aux? There we go. So that's going to go in here, I expect. This will go into the phone. And maybe, just maybe, it'll sound better. Oh, shit. Don't know if that's ice in there or not. Well, we'll soon find out. Nope. Seems to be yes. Okay. Welcome to Uconnect. Oh, I don't want to put my name in here. God damn it. Aux. Piss off. There we go. What do you mean validation error? Oh, sorry guys, you turned. Library. Playlists. Play? Where's the damn play? Okay. It says playing auxiliary, but I don't hear any. Okay, I hear something now. I think that, oh shit. Yeah, I'll get a copyright strike, guys. That does sound better though. Where's that bloody power amp equalizer? Okay. Now, where's this red cord supposed to go, I wonder? Oh, that's another one of those. Same kind of unit. Okay. I want to be able to charge my something, where's that wire come out here? Sorry guys, trying to get things settled here. Okay. Alright. Are we charging? Nope. Validation error. What's this validation? From another device. Please uninstall the app and reinstall it from the Play Store. What fucking, it doesn't say what program. Spotify, play. We heard it before. Oh, now we're not. Yeah. Oh, plugin's working. Working now. I don't know what I did wrong here. It says auxiliary connected. Unplug the charge and foreign material in your. Oh fuck. Okay, we're not going to use this one. That's Scorese XM. I don't know how to use it. Okay, phone, relax. Yeah, I'll put you guys up here. Why did I pick today of all days to do this? Oh, come on, phone, man. Give me a GoPro. Sit up for a minute. Give me a break. We'll try the red cord because it was in better shape. Okay. I'd like to get this all set up and finished. Okay. You see me now? Will this thing sit there for like even 2 minutes? Holy shit. Take them a year to fucking balance the bastard. Come on. Okay. So the end of this red cord. Boy, if I ever get tied up in this thing. Okay, so that's the aux there. And I should, if all goes well. It's not charging though. I gotta put the charging on. Okay. Handle, yeah. And now I don't hear anything playing. Oh, there it is. Still sounds like shit. I think I might have to close close that and then restart it. Excuse me.